Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. Super excited because today is August 31st and it is the first video in our Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics race video. So today is going to be the reveal of mission number 1, where all of my people or teams are going to get started. So if you want to see that, stay with me. And after watching this video, if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. Come on, I know you can do it. Okay, if you guys missed last week's video, shame on you. Yeah, just kidding. I'm going to go ahead and fill you in on what this race is all about. Basically, what's going to happen is teams or people from all over the world are going to compete in 5 missions, and they're trying to be the first team to complete all 5 missions. So what you're going to do today is, once I reveal what the mission is, your robot should already be built, but if you don't, you're going to have to hurry up and get it to be built. You're going to complete that task, record it on a phone or some type of device, send me the video, and once I approve that you did complete mission or leg number 1, I will send you an email showing you what mission number 2 is. And so what's going to happen is, as teams keep completing missions, I will send them out the next one. And the team that is the first one to win is going to be the Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics World Race Competition Champion. Yes. Okay, so what's going to happen today is, once I give you the mission number 1, you are going to have exactly 3 days to complete this mission. So what happens to teams that don't complete it in 3 days? They're basically out of the race. What I can't do is I can't just keep stringing this along and further down the road. I have to give a cutoff, and that cutoff is going to be 3 days. Now, what I will do is I will make that cutoff exactly 3 days after the airing of this video. So you can kind of do the math and figure out, oh man, we're going to have to send in our video in that time frame. And then basically what's going to happen is, once I send you the email that gives you the next mission, you'll have exactly 3 days after that to complete it. So what you're going to have to do is just keep up on the missions so you don't fall too far behind. So I apologize for those of you that are in school or you have some other obligation that keeps you from competing. But if you get a chance, that's what I would love, is for folks to try to compete. And I'm trying to make the missions not too hard so it doesn't take you that long, because 3 days for these missions actually I think is a good amount of time. So just do your best. So today I'm going to go ahead and let you know what that mission is. So let's go to mission number 1. Okay, everybody, here we go. Mission number 1. It is going to be called the Dumbbell Balance. So you're going to take these 2 black gears. You know what I'll do? I'm just going to go ahead and alter this for any team that just might not have these exact 2 gears. You can use the gray gears. You can even use a smaller gear, but that makes it a little tougher. And you're going to set it up like this with any size axle. I think this is an 8, but you can use a 12, you can use a 10, you can even use a 5 if you want. You're going to use a piece of 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper as your base. I have sent you the link. Check the description for this paper. It is the Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics race paper. It has a picture of the cool robot racer, the EV3, and the Spike Prime logo. You're going to make sure that it's 12 inches at least, 12 inches away from base. You're going to put the dumbbell right on the Spike Prime logo. And here's what your robot must do. Your robot's going to somehow travel to get to this dumbbell, and you have one job: to get this dumbbell to be somehow on your brick. I'm going to be checking in your video to see that your dumbbell is on the brick. I don't care how it is, balanced like that, as long as it's balanced and it's on top of the brick. Even that would be cool. And it doesn't matter where you are. No, you don't have to return to base. Your robot can be anywhere as long as I can see that the dumbbell is resting on top of the brick. Some part of the dumbbell needs to be on the brick. So even something like, let me see if I can even get it like that. Even that's fine. You can see that the dumbbell is resting on the top of the brick, or in the case of Spike Prime, it can be the hub. So that's all I'm checking for, is that the dumbbell is somewhere on the top surface of the brick. And that is mission number 1. So again, as soon as you can finish this, record it on a phone, iPad, I don't care what it is, and you're sending me your video. Sending me your video to Hino, Lego Robotics @gmail.com. And as soon as I receive your video and I check that it's legit, I will send you an email that contains the video for the next mission, mission number 2. All right, everybody, there you go. If there's any questions, you can throw them down in the comment section and take it away. Okay, guys, so Mr. Hino is throwing that first mission at you guys to see what you can come up with. And I'm ready to check my email to see when you guys are going to send me your videos. So again, you're trying to get that, basically those 2 black gears held together by that axle on top of your brick. And I don't care how it's on there. As long as it's on there, you're good. So I'm just going to be waiting to see what you guys do. So I'm super excited to see when you guys might get this done, how fast you might get it done, how you get it done. It's going to just be amazing. So for those of you that are watching, I think I've told you this before, I'm going to hold off on showing you what the missions are because I don't want to give away information to teams that aren't ready for that information. But once everything's in and deadlines have been passed, I will start to upload these videos to show you what's been going on. And again, remember, when teams send me their video, and then the next team might send me their video, I'm gonna wait the amount of time that it took for each team to send me their video to send out the next one. So example, if a team sends me their video on a Wednesday at 5 p.m. and another team sends me their video at 8 o'clock p.m., that's a 3-hour difference. So when I send that first team their video, I'm gonna basically wait 3 hours to send the other team their next mission video. So it's just one of those things to keep it fair and to make sure that teams are rewarded for finishing early. So I'm excited. I can't wait to see what you guys are gonna come up with. So I'm just waiting for my email. Okay, guys, so if I have left out any details, just throw them down in the comments section. Remember, you can use EV3, Spike Prime, or NXT. Sorry for those of you that don't have, those 3 types of kits. It's just the way I set up the competition. It'd be super hard for you to compete if you don't have those type. So, for those of you using Spike Prime, instead of the brick, it's the hub. So, change and alter this where you need to. All right, guys, I'm super excited again, and I can't wait for this. It's already started, but I can't wait for this to keep rolling on and letting you guys know how things are going. Okay, guys, so I'm Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.